Hi everyone, welcome back to my garden and welcome back to day 5 of my 30-day garden transformation challenge. Let's get started as always with my daily routine. I'm excited to say I had a little bit of help with my daily routine this morning. It made it go really fast. Sadie helped me water my plant stash, and Shae was helping me deadhead these pink profusion salvia. It's always so nice when they want to come work out in the garden with me. They like to earn money. Sadie, she'll be 13 next month, and she is actually starting to save money for her car. And Shae likes to buy little things, and so this is how they earn their money, which I think is wonderful, and I just love having them out there in the garden with me. For weeding today, I worked up in the front of my center island underneath my El Nino Chitalpa. I have so much bindweed here. I have a bunch of bindweed all over my garden. It's just been the year of the bindweed, which is kind of funny because last year was definitely Bermuda grass was the bane of my existence, and then now this year it's bindweed, and it's just the type of thing I have to stay on top of it. I think we've disturbed the soil a lot in a couple areas, and we had a really wet winter and spring, which definitely helps bindweed thrive. So it's just the type of thing I just have to stay on top of it. I have to pull it when it's young, try and get out as much of the root as I possibly can, and then mulch as much as I possibly can, and hopefully get a hold of it. But I got a ton of bindweed out today, much more than my one weed. You can see I got much more than one weed today. And for fertilizing, I did the water-soluble fertilizer today. This is the Proven Winners water-soluble plant food. I was fertilizing my annuals in the back garden, and actually Jason came out and he ended up fertilizing the entire front and back garden. So really, the whole garden got fertilized today, which was great. Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my garden and welcome back to day 5 of my 30-day garden transformation. It's day 5 and I'm getting really excited about this. I'm super happy that I'm getting out here and I'm doing this. And today I actually have the whole family out here today. It's one of those lovely days where the family has joined me, I think because we are having really nice weather. I know a lot of you on the eastern part of the country is really suffering right now, and I'm so sorry, but we here in California, we are really enjoying the cooler weather that we're having in early July, and so we are definitely enjoying it until it starts getting hot, because I know it's gonna get hot. So I've already completed most of my daily routine. I had a little bit of help this morning from Sadie and Shae and Jason. Jason's here, he's helping fertilize. Sadie and Shae are helping deadhead and weed right now, and Sadie watered my plants. So I kind of got in there with them and did some stuff. And now I am moving on to the last part of my daily routine, which is planting. I want to plant at least one plant, and I have a lot more than one plant. I have one whole wagon to plant today, and I am going to be working up here in the orchard garden, kind of by my succulent planter. I have decided I am going to take out these heuchera right here. I planted, these poor heuchera have really gone through it. They were actually planted in my secret garden before, and they just weren't doing great. They needed a little bit more sun, but then I planted them over here in this spot, and I think they get too much sun. If you can look, like this one right here, this one's getting a little crispy. I've actually lost some of them. Like there used to be one here and there used to be one here. So this just isn't the right spot for the heuchera, and I think that I've just tortured these enough. I think they're just they're just finished. So my plan for today is to take out whatever's left, get rid of it, and replant it with a plant that I absolutely love, which is Pink Pearls Penstemon. Look at how gorgeous this is. This one is so very beautiful, especially when it's in bloom. I have some over there on the other side of my Miss Molly and my lemon tree over there, and I just thought it would be so pretty. And then back in my plant stash area, I had these black petunias. Aren't these just absolutely gorgeous? These are from Blooms. I went to Blooms wholesaler a couple weeks ago, and they gave me a whole bunch of really beautiful plants, including these, and these are called Slingshot Black Magic. Now, I've never tried these are not supertunias, and I'm always skeptical of trying non-supertunias, because non-supertunias you actually have to deadhead and kind of take care of them a little bit more than supertunias. So I'm interested to see how these guys are going to do. But I just thought the color of them with the pink pearls penstemon is just so beautiful. I had to do it. So that's my plan. I'm going to plant them right there. But I also am going to work on my focused garden task today, which is I'm going to take out this pink cashmere superbena. Now I know it's always iffy when I take out perfectly good plants. And these are, I guess I would say they're perfectly good plants. After being here in my garden for 3 years, I'm really starting to see some of my plants go through their life cycle. All plants have a life cycle. Perennials have a life cycle. Even shrubs have a life cycle. And these pink cashmere superbena, they're sold by proven winners as annuals. And I've just been using them as perennials because I'm zone 9B and they overwinter for me. We call them temperennials because my cold weather doesn't kill these, which it probably does in a lot of other areas of the country. And I think that they're just done. They've been here for 3 years, and I think that that's pretty much enough. I was watching a video on Supertunia Vista bubblegum in Australia. Those of you in Australia, let me know in the comment section if I'm correct on this, but they said that Supertunia Vista bubblegum overwinters pretty consistently in Australia, but after about 3 years, the plant just kind of peters out and that's it. So it's kind of the same thing. I'm finding the same thing with this pink cashmere. It's been about 3 years and they're looking okay. They're looking fine. I had a really beautiful flush earlier on this season, but now I have the urge that I just want to take it out. And I want this whole area to be a little bit cleaner. I have some mini junipers right here that I want to see. I have some rocks that I want to see. I did get some mulch delivered, so I think I want to mulch this area. So anyway, I think that that's my plan, is I'm going to take out these pink cashmere because they're not sparking joy for me anymore. And I think it was yesterday's video, I just took out the super bells over in these containers over here, and because they weren't sparking joy for me, and I replanted them with dichondra, and they look so much prettier now, and I'm so much happier with them. So for this 30-day garden transformation challenge, I'm really going to focus on having plants in my garden that really spark joy, and not just keeping plants because I planted them. Do you know what I mean? Like, I really want to focus on something that really is going to make me so happy to see it. And I hate to say it, but I think it's going to make me happy to take these pink cashmere out. I'm thinking about replacing them with myoporum, which is a ground cover, and it stays nice and low. And I think that might be a little bit better thing to have here. But for now, I just want to take these out. So anyway, my first step is I want to take the pink cashmere out. Once it's out, then I will plant these guys over here in this area, and then that will be checking off my daily routine of planting a plant, and then it'll also be checking off my focus garden task for the day. God, look at this one. Oh my God. Massive. It's so big. Get it. What are you getting? What is it? Oh, it's a frog. Ew. This is a bigger job than I expected.
Thanks, girls, for helping.
Oh, it looks so different. I think it looks good. I think it looks better. I think I needed some more low growing stuff on this mound so you can really see everything that's going on, like the little mini junipers, the rocks. I think it just needs to be a little bit more tight. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think it looks great. Shae is helping me out. She's getting some mulch. Sadie is working on other pruning stuff further over in the orchard garden. And I think I'm going to get started on planting these pink pearls penstemons over here. Sadie thought I should show you how big our pile of plants is. And that's only some of it because I've already taken some back by the chicken coop. And then you've been pruning with your little buckets, right? How many did you fill up today?
5.
5. Shae, how many did you fill up?
I only filled up like 3. But...
Still 3. That's 8. That's 8 pop-up bags filled with stuff.
Yeah.
They came...
No, I filled 4 because I filled some of them.
You filled 4. Oh my god. And now Shay's helping me with mulch.
Yeah.
I love you, Shae. I love you, Sadie. You guys are amazing. You tired?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Now scoop it all out.
I might have to get a lot more mulch. But...
Yeah, you'll have to get a couple.
And then I can just spread this out.
And then you just spread it out.
Okay. Is the frog gone? Or like...
Well, it's buried.
It's drying up.
Yeah. I get that.
What plant are you going to put here instead?
I think something called my farm.
What does it look like?
It's like a low ground cover. This girl looks so good.
That's helpful.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, there's a frog over there.
Right.
It's buried in the dirt somewhere. That's really makes everything.
It makes a huge difference. Okay. Thanks, right here. Okay, someone want to lift that?
Sure.
Sure. Go. There we go.
You know?
Yeah.
and that.
Okay, guys. Done.
You're...
High five.
I don't know how to do that.
Yay.
Okay, so we finished taking out the pink cashmere for day 5 on the July challenge, and
It looks better, right?
yeah, it looks way better. Like we put mulch in it, and then like,
You
and then
didn't
we
know they
took
were
out.
here. Sadie didn't even know these trees were here. These poor things.
Yeah.
Right there. And these rocks. These rocks look good too.
Yeah, and then we got all those flowers out.
Yeah. Yeah. So Sadie and Shae helped a lot. Thank you, girls.
Yeah.
This looks great, right?
Yeah, I really like it.
I really like it too. So I did my daily gardening routine.
Yeah.
I got my garden shoes on,
Yeah.
and I did the focus garden task.
Nice.
So day 5 complete.
Yeah. I think it looks really good.
Thank you.
Did you pull your weed?
I did. I pulled a lot of weeds. All right, everyone. That's going to be it for today. We hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And
we hope you have a chance to get in your garden today.